Your beat is flows ultra tight.
Hello everyone again, it's me, Steve, and today, I'm doing the community again to step the Curtabalondo Slam.
Hello, it's me, Tagging Pierre, and today we are going to commentary on Ken Singleton again. So let's get started.
Curtabalondo Slam's video. Let's get started.
Look, Caden Singleton, the subscribed lover fan took 9 did a commentary on his video.
Well, he deserves it because I doing the commentary on your video again.
No, he doesn't.
Your video again.
That's it, commentary time.
And today, I am doing the community on Step Up Curtabello and Lestamine's community #1. Commentating on Caden Singleton I8D's videos. Let's get this thing started.
Look, Caden Singleton I8D, the subscribe level fan 2K9, did the commentary on rant of him.
Well, he deserves it, because Caden Singleton do a community on your video.
He's not deserved.
He does deserve it for doing the commentary on me.
That's it.
Not, it is not deserved. So, start being selfish.
Deserve it for doing the commentary on me.
That's it. Commentary time.
It's me, Playhouse Disney. Today, I am do the community on To Be Love Maria's rant on Caden Singleton's channel. Let us get this started.
Caden Singleton, what? No, more like Kim got TTS.
Yeah, I am doing the correction. No, Caden rocks. To Be Lover Maria's sucks.
No, Caden sucks, and To Be Love Maria's rocks.
I agree with Marius. Caden Singleton sucks. And To Beloved Marius rocks.
No, Kind Master, Caden Singleton is way better than...
No. Enrich for the Gods is way better than Ken Singleton.
Rocks.
No, Kind Master, Caden Singleton is way better than Toby Mario's.
I agreed with you, Playhouse Disney. Caden's rock. Tabamarios sucks.
No, I am doing the correction. Caden Singleton sucks, and To Beloved Marius rocks.
No, Step Up Curtabalondo Slim sucks, and Caden Singleton rocks.